Alright, this is my module I've created as part of this course. So objectives and outcomes. The goal here is so students will be able to identify computer components, understand how programs execute, and relationship between binary and decimal numbers. And so by the outcomes, they will be able to explain the role of the various hardware components, follow the process of an application's execution, and understand file headers and binary and decimal, all related concepts. And for an instructor-created piece of content, I've got a slide deck I use in class here, which I can just embed here as a PDF, and I like the way it zooms down so you can easily see it, and then you can flip through the slides and see what they say, so that's good. All right. And I also have another one I've used in a lot of my classes here, explaining how binary works. And again, this PDF viewer is really very nice inside Canvas. And here's some curated learning content. I found a video from another teacher explaining why you encode letters as binary. That includes proper captions. And I found a game to play. I made a little video showing you how to play the game, and then the game itself can be embedded here. So you can play this thing. So you have to find a number like 7. There's 111. And 6 is 110. All right, and so on. So that's a fun little game for them to practice. And so all these modules help them practice these things. And I wanted to show you some things I was happy about. This discussion and this assignment struck me as quite good. For the discussion, I realized that one simple way to understand the role of binary in computers is to look at any kind of file in a hex editor. PDFs, every file typically starts with a file header. For PDFs, it's always %PDF, which is pretty obvious, and all other files have a header, with a few exceptions, and some of them are quite confusing, like Windows executables start with MZ, and so on. So I said, look at a file, find the header, or just look up online what a file header for some file type is, and then try to understand the origin of why it would have that abbreviation to specify this kind of file and make a comment about it. It would be good for students to learn how to spot headers and learn how to understand them. And the lightning talk is a standard in the security community. You can go to a conference and you can just give a talk without having to submit it in advance or have it approved by a committee because it's short. 4 minutes is your maximum length, and this brief talk can cover any topic, but you only have enough time to make one point, and it's very good for my students to practice their communication skills, making a clear explanation of something in just a few minutes. So you choose any topic relevant to this and make a little video. That's very helpful for them because explaining things clearly is essential in industry. So that's it.